Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another week of online learning. So I just wanted to go over your assignments really quick to help you understand what you need to do for this week. So first off, we have our office hours right here. Please, if you have any questions or you are frustrated about technology that you're trying to use or how to do the notes or you can't figure something out, please use those office hours to ask me or Mr. Brooks questions. And if these office hour times do not work for you, please email one of us so that we can set up another time that we can talk with you face to face. Okay? Okay, so the next items are your assignments, and we have these listed as these you need to do first. The first one is President Polk and westward expansion. And this one's going to focus on a skill we haven't really worked on that much before. It is on cooperation. So you are going to need to first click on here to get the question notes for this. You'll create a Google Doc. These are not part of your Unit 6 notes. These ones will be separate that you will turn in just for this assignment. So click on those notes to get those started, and then you will need to watch this video where I explain how to corroborate sources and give you some examples. And then we have some practice for you to practice corroborating sources. So you have 3 different sources that are about President Polk, and you will need to fill out questions on that notes page. And then in the end, you will write a paragraph about it where you corroborate the sources, okay? And then you'll turn them in. Okay, the next assignment for this week is your Western Expansion Group's jigsaw. So these notes are part of your Unit 6 note packet, and you should have those already. If not, I will show you where you can access them again if you need to. Remember, this is getting turned in at the end of this unit, which will be the end of the month of April, and it'll be a big assignment grade. So please make sure you're keeping up with those notes and that you are getting those turned in. Okay, so you will have your notes that are already on there, and then you have these different sources about the different groups that came west during westward expansion. So please make sure you go through all those and fill out your notes. Okay, the next assignment as we wait for the technology is your Native American Nearpod. So this is going to talk about the rights that Native Americans didn't have during this time period. Please make sure that you are completing all of the assignments on the Nearpod. That is what gets you full credit on that Nearpod assignment. And yes, we do look at them and we can see all of your responses. So please make sure that you're doing all of those activities in the Nearpod and that you're filling out your notes, because again, these are on your Unit 6 notes. Okay, the next thing you're going to do, and if we go back out to the module, it'll tell you that these are the things you do last. So you're going to do those 3 assignments first, and then we have a short quiz right here that you're going to take. It's multiple choice. And then the last thing is your Flipgrid wrap up. Where you talk about Manifest Destiny. You can definitely use your notes on these assessments, but please don't just Google the answers. And as always, if you have any questions or having frustration with something, please let me or Mr. Brooks know. And good luck, everybody.